Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Binance account instantly. First of all, just open up the Binance application and log into your account. If you have not yet verified for Binance, you will need to verify it right away. In order to do so, go ahead and tap on this drop down at the top and search your residency. Choose your country from the list and go through the information first. In order to complete your verification, you will need to provide a personal information, a government issued ID and your liveness check. Tap on continue at the bottom and go ahead and type in your legal first name, middle name if available, and then your last name. Once you are done typing in the name, tap continue and select your country or your region on the next page. Tap on the continue button once choosing your nationality and then type in your date of birth. After you are done, tap on continue and enter your residential address. Make sure that you type in your residential address exactly as it is appears on your ID card. After entering your current information, tap on continue and then enter your postcode, the name of your city and your region. Go ahead and fill in all the text boxes. Also make sure to enter all of the information on this page. After entering all of the information, tap continue and then select a document type you would like to verify with. You can choose from ID card, passport or a driver's license. Select any one option that is available with you and tap continue, and now you will need to verify your document. Take picture of your both sides of your document or your government issued ID and then upload your image. Ensure all the details are readable in the image that you upload and the document is original and has not expired. Tap on continue and take a picture of your document. Follow through the prompts. You can take a picture with a phone or upload your existing photo, and once you are done with the uploads, tap continue and follow the prompts. If prompted, you will need to complete a liveness check through a video call. Follow through the instructions on the screen to record a short video of yourself and you will be able to verify your account. The personal information verification usually takes a few minutes or a few hours, while your address verification may take up to 10 days. You will receive an email and notification when your verification is completed. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.